Free and fun games on mobile. This one's called Car Crash Simulator Extreme. When playing this game, I recommend turning off your Wi-Fi and data just so you don't have to deal with any ads. Then you get to select the car. In this game, there are tons of cars to choose from. So yeah, that many different cars. Alright, we're gonna take this car out on the one-way. What I love about the one-way map is that the cars that you can ram into actually get damaged. That was a terrible example. We're gonna try a different car. See? In maps like the city, what was it? The city. Let me just show you. See, you get damaged, but not the vehicle. Now, those maps that have the no damageable cars that drive around include the highway, the city, the traffic. I think the train might do the same thing. Let's try that out, actually. The train can't be damaged, but the cars, I think, might be able to. There's tons of cool things in the map, including ramps and stuff like that. Don't hit the train there. Okay, we hit the train, but... yeah, I think that other vehicle damaged a little. So yeah, but the one-way, the train, and the race, those vehicles can get damaged on the map. Alright, we're gonna take out the Dodge Charger, and we're gonna go onto the race map. So the race map is a racetrack, and you have to have the fastest cars in the game. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go get a faster car. I really thought the Dodge Charger could actually do some good. Oh wait, that guy right? No, not the one-way. This guy right here might be able to do something for us. Nope, I think we knocked one guy out. There also are some other cool features in this game. I'm just gonna pull out this truck. So in this game, you have a slow motion mode. So when you get in front of a vehicle, it's just parked in the middle of the street. Oh, just barely missed it. All right, wait till this car to come. Yep, in a more slow-mo version, so you can get really cool crashing effects in slow-mo. Also, you can get different camera angles, even pretty much a first-person view. Yeah, that's pretty cool. One of the hidden things I like in the one-way map is that if you drive your car, get back in a better camera angle, if you drive it up this hill, and you go to the right, you can usually land an awesome trick, of landing on the roof. Yeah, I thought that was like a cool trick you can do in this game. We're gonna hit a jump. They also do have different types of cars. I think this is a town car. I think it might be a Cadillac family car or something. This right here I know is a Range Rover. This I think is a Ford Raptor. So they do have some famous, well-known cars. So yeah, the game's free. It has no ads if you turn off your Wi-Fi and data. And I think it has some very good car effects for a free game, so I recommend go try it.